All right, guys, so here's another video for a case from Schnell from my man Carl. This is the heavy duty case that he always brings out, man, and this is for the Plus. He brings these out all the time. This joint is, I mean, we know this is going to be heavy duty, real good with the kickstand joint on here. This is if you're going full throttle with it, man. You want to go with something that's going to protect it, man. So he has this for the Plus, I believe, and he has it for all models. Yeah, I saw it for all models. So he's got the label on that joint now, so you can just make sure you lift from that corner. Some of us know that already, but it's good that he's still putting that on there like that to get people to know to, hey, look, you need to pull from that corner to take it off because it's gonna mess up if you try to do it any other way. So I'm gonna try this on for you. Get it going for you. This case right here, man, I wear this on the Pixel all the time. So you got the two pieces, you got this part right here, it's rubbery on the sides, you got lots of grip right here, you got a little bit of Schnell branding right there. This is a Savior Series, I'm sorry, Savior Series branding right there, and Schnell branding on the back right here. Grip, power button, volume, ports and everything, good to go. So let's pop this on, and here's your kickstand real quick. So if you're gonna watch movies, here it is right here. So let's grab the S20 Plus. See here, put this part in, the frame, you put the top portion on first. Now I've been going bottom in first. For some reason it kind of works for me, but you know, you do whatever works for you when you're putting yours on. I just felt like it snapped around faster like this because you got to make sure the power button on here, you got to make sure it's lining up right. That's one thing you got to do. So yeah, you got to make sure that power button is lining up right. So here it is right here. I don't have my tempered glass on yet. It's right there. I'm gonna put it on in a little while. But this is the case, and you can see here that indention right here that he's got. It almost looks like it shouldn't be there, but it's made that way. So when you put it on, you just need to make sure you put it all the way up and around, and you got a little protection right there too. So this is full throttle right here with protection, man. If you don't want to buy an outer box, you can buy this right here. You definitely will be protected. And then more importantly, if you think the phone's too big sometimes, boom, sit it down, and then you got your movie set up there. So on the back, something I noticed about this case on the back, it's got these little rubbery feet right here. So when it's sitting down, it's off the table, even though it's got a lot of, look how deeply recessed that is. So that's what it's all about, man. Getting the protection for your phone. You pay a lot of money for these phones. You got to keep them protected. And that's just how it goes. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is the Savior Series for the Schnell joint. Shout out to Carl, man. I'm out.